Alright. So rigid sama je macam flexible. Sama. Thank you guys. Thank you Eileen. Thank you Ryan. Thank you Zara. Thank you Luke. So rigid pipes is almost identical to flexibles. It's just that rigid, they cannot bend as much. Even though some rigid, especially modern technology yang kita ada sekarang, something yang you nampak sekarang and it is more commonly used is rigid relay. So rigid relay is sama macam, thank you guys, thank you. Sama macam heavy lift vessel tadi, vessel yang ada crane, tapi instead of the kapal bina around the crane, is the kapal bina around this reel here. Nampak tak ni? Satu gulungan ni. So gulung ni kita boleh gulung satu rigid. So you boleh bayangkan pipe yang 14-16 inci besi, dan bila dia gulung, I pernah pergi, you boleh dengar dia kang, dia bengkok. Sangat scary, tapi tak pernah lagi dalam sejarah terputus atau patah. So it's well tak pernah lagi Deepwater Horizon pernah jadi kan, tapi dia jadi juga. So we always have to be careful. We always have to be careful. So this is just rigid pipe where kita dah wellkan dia di spool base. So spool base ni sama dia macam di darat, where kita wellkan all of these pipe section, dan kapal macam ni akan reverse dan dia akan masukkan dia naik over the structure dan dia gulungkan balik. Kenapa kita perlukan this structure? Again, J-lay, satu. Dan dua, structure ni lah yang buat pipe ni daripada bengkok, dia straightkan balik. We call them straighteners. engineer tak pandai sangat nama benda, bukan macam doctors. Kalau dia meluruskan sesuatu, straightener. Make sense kan? So again, sorry for the horrible resolution. Di sebelah kiri, that is another example of a traditional pipe lay vessel. It's where dia ada stinger, dia ada lidah ni, kan, kat belakang. Then here, all the way here, hopefully you can see my cursor, here, all the way here, this is the pipe welding section. So macam saya cakap tadi, these pipes kat sini, dia datang in sections. So you kena angkat, bawa ke sini, dan kesian abang belah kanan ni, dia kena weld setiap section tu. Bila dia dah weld, dia kena buat NDT, non-destructive testing. Basically, dia akan guna sama ada radiography, x-ray, ataupun dia guna sonar untuk check if welding tu bagus. Apa jadi if welding tu tak bagus? Terpotong balik dan kita weld balik. Jadi that's why sometimes saya cakap rigid pipe lay ni, even though manufacturing cost is sangat murah, installation cost it can be very high, especially if you have a crew yang tak expert in what they do. So there's just pros and cons. Ni benda-benda Petronas ni fikir lah, benda-benda klien yang decide. So if you contractor macam I, kita provide solution dia. Kalau dia orang tak suka, it's okay. Kita dah provide the best we can. Okay, so that bit rigid. Rigid is very simple. I think it's just same as flexible.